Continuing in our soup series, we have Asopao de Gandules. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
Asopao is a popular dish in Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic. It is a soup that is usually thickened with rice. You can do a chicken asopao. You can check out my video for shrimp asopao. But today we're making asopao with one of my favorite legumes, gandules. Okay, we're going to begin first with some prep. I'm gonna dice up an onion. And we're just going to rough chop I have some red bell pepper. I'm going to dice that as well. Then we have some carrots. I'm gonna split these in half and then cut them in half moon shapes. Then we have some squash or pumpkin, what we call calabaza. I'm gonna just take about half of this. And this I'm just going to cut into kind of larger chunks. Okay, lastly, we're going to cut up our ham steak. You can also use bacon. And I'm just going to cut this into small dice. And we are ready to make our soup. Okay, into a pan, I'm going to add some achote oil. This is simply achote paste and oil mixed together. And that's going to give a good color. Then we're going to add our diced ham. Add about a tablespoon of sofrito. Now this is homemade, but if you don't have homemade, Loisa is an awesome option. This is the sofrito rojo. This will go great. Okay, now I'm going to add the vegetables. Okay, now I'm going to add some chopped garlic. Saute that for about 30 seconds. The vegetables have been cooking for about 5 minutes. Okay, I want to season with some salt. Loisa sazon, just a little bit because we already have the achote, as well as Loisa's adobo. I also have some Dominican oregano, some black pepper, I'm going to add some crushed tomato to this. Okay, then we're going to add the gandules. These are frozen, but I love these because they have that vibrant green color. They're nice and plump, and they take no more than 10 minutes to cook. So we're gonna add that to the pot. You can use canned gandules. I would use about 2 cans because gandules is the star of the show. So we definitely want its presence to be known. Okay, and this is optional, but I love the flavor of olives and capers. Okay, then we're going to add, right now, about 4 cups of chicken stock. I'm also adding to the pot this bundle of culantro and cilantro. And so I'm adding this to the pot just to infuse a lot of that cilantro flavor. Okay, one of the last things I want to add is a half a cup of rice that I simply added water to so that that starch can leak out. But that starch is going to help thicken the soup. We're just going to allow this to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, here we have our finished product. Take our bowl here. Just going to add some chopped cilantro. Okay, then we're going to take a couple ladles. Look at that. Beautiful. This is the consistency I like. Not too soupy, but not real thick. And then we serve it with some tostones that we just fried off. And here we have it. Asopao de Gandules. Sabroso.
If you liked this video, click the recipe tab in the video description, which will take you to our recipe page on Provecho, where you'll get a printer-ready format of the recipe that links directly to Instacart, so you can shop for all the ingredients instantly. You can also follow along with the video as you make something sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.